Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. We're back checking out a brand new tool from us that we picked up from Lowe's. Lowe's was kind enough to gift this to us. If you are interested in it at all during any point of this video, there will be a link to it down in the description and also in the pinned comment at lowes.com. Be sure to check it out. Helps out the channel a lot. Anyway, we're going to tear right into this, guys. This is the CRAFTSMAN 18 gauge Brad Nailer. We do have one of these Brad Nailers that is air powered, as you can see on the box probably. This one is battery powered. Now, we did not get the one that comes with the battery because we already have loads of CRAFTSMAN tools. We love them, and so we have a bunch of batteries already. Anyway, we're going to tear right into this, see how it works out, let you guys know our thoughts, and eventually down the road we'll probably also do a comparison between this one and the air powered one. But for now, let's dig right into it, guys. Owner's manual, as always. Boom, just like that. There's the tool right there. Right off the bat, I will say, even without the battery, it's a good bit heavier than the air-powered one. But anyway, let's check out some of the features on it. This tool does come with a 3-year limited warranty from CRAFTSMAN. It's an 18 gauge Brad Nailer, as stated already. It takes up to 420 2-inch nails per charge, completely oil-free operation. It comes with a tool-free nail jam and stall release as well. So, let's check out how the operation actually works.
I'm curious because it's got this motor up here, so it's a little bit more weight to it.
Oh yeah.
Versus the air power.
Add in the battery too. It's gonna have a bit of.
We add in the 4 amp hour battery.
What's crazy about it? It's got a safety on it too.
Oh shoot! I forgot about that.
It should be off.
Unlocked.
Yeah.
Okay. This hasn't been adjusted or anything. Oh, that's cool. There's a light on it. As soon as
I
you
didn't
push
even
it
know
down,
that.
there's a light.
That's neat. That's neat.
I've never used a battery powered nail gun. All I've ever used is the. I mean, it's a good solid, and it's
Getting them in there.
I mean, it's set just right. So I mean,
I think it's on the deepest setting right now, I believe.
I would just leave it because
Yeah.
that's perfect. Yeah. I mean, shooting them in through maple. So I think these are the galvanized brads. I've got stainless brads that work nice for harder woods, but it seems to be shooting into that maple just fine. You want to try it?
Yeah.
It's weird. I was expecting it like an instant thing like the air gun, but
Yeah, that is weird.
You hear it wind up and then boom.
Yeah. I guess the added weight is kind of nice for holding the piece down too, though.
Well, it's not a bad weight.
No, it's not, but I mean, it is a lot heavier than the air one.
Yeah, I wasn't sure I would like it because of the added weight, and
I think I do. It seems to be like pulling it down a little tighter than.
Yeah, you don't really have to push. You just hold it and
yeah,
it just does it.
I mean, because that's got like no
wiggle at all.
It's in there.
So, yeah. Trying to get away from the air powered because it's such a pain having the hose all over the place.
Yeah.
I am going to stay with air for the sprayer, but I don't think we'll stay with air for the nail guns. It'd be nice if I could find a battery powered stapler.
I think CRAFTSMAN does one.
They may. We'll update it as we get.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got the partnership with Lowe's, so we got to use it on something. So probably see some more battery powered tools in the future.